With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins. With the disturbance lifting to the northeast, little drizzle today switches over to a light wintry mix with some colder temperatures tonight. Little to no ice accumulation expected. Chances for drizzle and wintry mix increase a bit more for tomorrow. Tomorrow and Thursday, a little bit warmer with highs up around 40. Rain with a mix of snow likely for tomorrow night through Thursday. Snow accumulations of a dusting to less than a half an inch are expected for areas along and south of I-80. Areas north of I-80 may see 1 to 3 inches of snow. North central and northeast Nebraska accumulations right around 5 inches. Friday is dry and the weekend brings a few small chances of rain or snow. Highs warm mostly into the upper 40s to the 50s, even some low 60s over western Kansas on Saturday. In the long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures likely to be slightly cooler than normal Sunday through the first day of spring on March 20th. During mid-March, central Nebraska's daytime highs are typically around 50 with average overnight lows in the mid to upper 20s. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation Sunday through March 20th likely to be slightly above normal. Key weather factors affecting the markets include widespread precipitation in most of the U.S. except for the southwest plains, heat and mostly dry weather in Argentina, and rain continuing for Brazil. Portions of the nation's midsection receive beneficial precipitation starting today on the northern plains. Today through Thursday, portions of the southern plains and mid-south may experience a multi-day severe weather outbreak. For western areas of the southern plains, precipitation continues to be limited where drought continues its hold. Some rain is possible over the western locations of the southern plains this weekend. Mississippi River levels remain high for the foreseeable future due to very active weather for at least the next week or so, possibly leading to areas of flooding the next couple of weeks. Argentina's dry weather continues for immature corn and soybeans, and rain will be limited for at least the next week. Southern Argentina stands the best chance at continued rain going into next week, but for most areas, the rain too late to have much of an impact. Argentina heat that developed last week continues through next week, keeping the stress high for corn and soybeans. Brazil's scattered rain continues for most key growing areas for the next week. Despite the continuing rains, progress has been mostly significant for soybean harvest and second crop corn planting. Some of Brazil's second crop corn planting is behind, which could put the crop in pollination during the dry season. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.